How we doing, everybody? This is That Our Nerd with a quick video on how to sum a variable by group. The packages you're going to need today are dplyr or dplyr, depending on your taste there, and the islr package, which gives us the data set that we're going to use. And so this data set that comes from this package is the college data set. What this is just a data frame of colleges, and whether or not they're private, how many applications, accepted, enroll, and so forth, all the way through. And so what we're going to do, just to make it a little bit easier, is we're actually going to switch this to a tibble, which is this tbl_df. A couple nice things about tibbles: they print out super nice down here. So this first one you see, it just printed out just an otherworldly amount of just stuff, right? If you do this, it's going to print out 10 lines, and it's just going to look really nice. The other thing is it's going to work if you have a tibble and you put it into dplyr. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take our data and do a % greater than %, which this is just a pipe. So we're taking our data frame that we made here, and we're going to pipe it into a group by function. And what we're going to do is we're going to group by private, because what we want to look at is what are the number of people enrolled in private versus not private, which I guess is public. So we're going to group by private, and then we're going to summarize. And this first thing you do here is give it a name. So we're going to say the sum of enroll. All right, so the sum of enroll is equal to the sum of enroll here. This table doesn't have any missing values, so you don't need this, but if your data that you're using does have any missing values, make sure to do an na.rm equals true, or else it's just going to print an na down at the bottom. Okay, so let's run that. What we get here is that public schools have 347,000 people enrolled. Private schools have 258,000 people enrolled. So pretty neat. A couple other quick things you can do here is we could say the count and then n with open and close parentheses. So what this little function here does is it counts the number of people in the group, or not people, but the number of schools, I guess, in this case, like how many options are in these group by here. So if we run that, again, we have our sum of enrolled, and this tells us that there are 212 private or public schools and 565 private schools that go there. One last thing, we could do an average of enroll, and so we'll do the mean of enroll. We'll do our na.rm equals true again. And so if we run this stuff, just finally here we see if it's a public school, there are 347,000 total people in public schools. There are 212 public schools with an average enroll of 1640. And then private schools, 258. There's 565 of them, and the average enrollment is 456. Okay, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to press that thumbs up button. Subscribe if you want to see just the most incredible R content of all time. And thank you very much for watching this video and for your time. See ya.